Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, we are going to look at how to make the stretched font effect. And the stretched fonts effect is a very useful effect that most of the designers use to make their design look very nice, and also to add a taste to their design. So it's very helpful for you to know how to do this trick, because it's going to elevate your design skills. Alright, so swiftly, let's hop onto our Photoshop, and then we get started.